Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I will show you how to use advanced email filter for Elementor form plugin to block spam and control email submission. Let's install the plugin first. Install the plugin, you need to first download the plugin. You can download from WordPress repository here. Click on the download. It will download in your computer. Then go to your WordPress backend and plugins sections. There is a button add new plugin. Click on it. Now click upload plugin and upload your zip file of the plugin you downloaded. Click install now. Give few seconds and then active the plugin. Now you can see you have a new menu in your dashboard called email filter. Let's familiar with global filter system. If you navigate email filter, and then you will find all the option under global settings. If you use any of the settings here, it will work for all the Elementor forms in your website. You can see I have a form in a simple page. And if I edit the form, you can see the email filtering option here. It's totally identical with the global options I have here. But the special benefit, you can control this filtering system only for these forms. So if you don't want the filtering system all over the website, then you can use these settings. Let's see how these settings work. Uh, let's go with specific form. You have some examples here. You can use that too. I want to uh, allow user only submit their Gmail, not any other email. So I can do that by @gmail.com, this pattern. And if I save, publish it, and then view the page. Now, if you submit any email, I put my email and blah 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 and submit. You can see the email submission is works. That's fine, as we only allow Gmail. But what happens if we put others email? For example, not Gmail, let's say Hotmail, and submit. Then you can see the error showing here, this email not allowed. If you put any other things here, it's same. It's only allowed Gmail. Now, if we remove it and put the same pattern on Blocklist and save, reload the pages. And now, if we put our Gmail and submit, then you can see Gmail is blocked. But if we put other things, it's work. This is how Blocklist and Whitelist work. Now I remove everything from specific, and let's reload it and try to submit again. It works fine. Now if I put this Gmail pattern on Blocklist, there is example how the patterns work, and then you save change. You can see Gmail is here. Now if we reload and try to put Gmail in our email submission, You can see this is block, and you can see our form is specific. We don't have any block listing things. Now we have another option, business email only. So this basically block all personal domain like Gmail, Yahoo, etc. And same option we have, form is specific only. So if you only want to block personal email only here, then you can turn on this. Or if you want to block for all the forms in your website, then you can turn on here and save change. Now if we want to put Gmail, it's block. If we put Hotmail, it's a personal email domain are not allowed. But if we put hello @mukto.info, that is not a personal domain, and try to submit, it's work. So this is how business email filtering works. This is not perfect because every day there are some personal domain provider or company come in. We update the database every 7 days. So you get most efficient blocking system. Currently we have 100 plus domain provider blocking. So if you just check, you are blocking 100 plus personal email providers. There is interesting settings you have, disposal email. So sometime user use like temp email. So there is a temporary email you can see. There are a lot of website providing temporary emails. For example, this one. So they are providing emails for like 10 minutes or something. So if you want to submit here with these emails, like user trying to submit its work, but if you block the disposal email, then if you try to submit, you can see disposal email domain are not allowed. So it's blocking the 10-minute email type or temporary email. Still, it's not perfect. It's blocking like 80% of the temporary email because temporary email provider changing their domain name regularly. We have more than 60,000 domain in our database, but still it's not perfect. So by check this, you can block most of temporary email submission. Thank you. That's for now. Let's see in another video.